Now we talk how to use the centering sight and the following rest. When we turn, the wood is very long and the diameter is small. It will shaking when we do wood turning. So we use centering sight to keep it steady. When we choose how to choose the centering sight is that the diameter of the hair should be smaller than the diagonal line, 1 or 2 millimeter. Now we install the centering sight to the follow right. Now fasten them is okay. Use this can avoid the shaking when we turn long but small diameter wood products. And install it to here. And fasten it is okay. Okay. Now we can follow the knife now. When we turn a big diameter, the diameter is much bigger than this follow sight. We can take this follow sight away. Take it to here. Now I'll show it to you. Yeah. Because with the big diameter, it will be we will turn the spindle the speed is not high, it's low, so it won't shaking and no need this follow rest. So we take it out. Just use this. Okay.